Welcome back and happy 4th of July, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be working on our white Focus again. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start out by pressure washing the whole front end because it was really dirty when we took off the bumper. I'm going to clean all that. And then after that, we'll get right into the bumper assembly. We'll actually disassembly first from the original bumper and then assemble the new bumper and put that bad boy right on. My setup right now. There we go. I'm gonna start out removing one trim at a time. I'll start with the back of the bumper. Well, actually, I'm gonna try to remove this grill first. Then this should be easy too. And then the bumper reinforcement, I guess, in the back is gonna be the most difficult one. Let's take a look at that. Okay, there it is right there. That's gonna be, it's not bad, but it's hard to put on the other bumper because this bumper is aftermarket. I got it on eBay for $100 and you gotta be very careful with it. And a lot of the trims, a lot of times if you get aftermarket trims, they're very hard to work with. You have to sand things and grind things and gotta make it happen though. It's very affordable. Let's rock and roll. Also, over the years, I've learned for clip removers, when you're working with plastic, use these. You definitely won't scratch anything. And these are like the best tools to use to remove any kind of grill, like especially if we're working with that bumper grill. This is the easiest thing. And plus, you can get a set on Amazon for like 25 bucks. Look at this. And no scratches. Whew. That was not easy. Check this out. So these are the clips that you have to bend from the other side. You push them down right here and it comes out. Well, we got it out successfully. Need to wash all this stuff. Bingo. Oops. Don't do that. Nice grill. That was absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. One piece is broken off, but it will stay on the clips. The front gave me the most trouble. I used this clip remover. It's perfectly fine from the back, but it's not easy. Okay, you guys ready for this? The most important part. Let's take this emblem off. Oh man, this thing is in here good. There we go. Here we go. Perfect. And again, have to go wash all these grills. And then we can install them on the new bumper over here. Straightforward. This sucks. It's like crap. That's all I can say. Round two. It's like pretty much impossible to get it together on your own on that stand. Let's try the floor. I did it last time on the floor. Hopefully this is gonna work. But this is very aggravating and it's time consuming, that's for sure. all complete. Not an easy task. Whew. Now it's just the grills. Hopefully that's not gonna give me any issues. Whew. That was easy. The only thing that's easy out here. Done. At this time, this is the best that we can do. I have to adjust the grill over here a little bit, but if I press it, this pops out. So I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm gonna wait till I install the bumper, which is coming up right next. But everything else went in. I had a little problem here and here, and of course the grill. But we'll fix that without getting angry. It's very easy to lose your cool here, man. Let's get this bumper installed. I'm tired of this. This is beautiful right here. Perfect. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, I'm impressed. That looks good. Plane here. Just gonna have to be adjusted a little bit, but we're gonna have to tighten all that. So we'll still fix this. I don't like this right here. I want to take a look over here. What's going on? Alright, let's minimize this grill. I can finally start messing with it a little bit. I think this is good right now. I don't want to push it anymore because this is all clipped in. The edges, man, it's just gonna break everything. So I'm just gonna confirm everything's all clipped in. This is always giving me issues here. Tighten that underneath with the inner fender. But other than that, this is spectacular. Remember I mentioned I have to change the windshield wiper motor assembly? Because my windshield, the passenger side windshield wiper doesn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this real quick. Take me a couple minutes. There it is. Looks like 8mm bolts, 3 of them. There you go. This one, the one that I have, I'm about to install. This is from ST, Focus ST, direct one you guys saw. So it looks identical. Let's install it. Quick update. Looking good. I like it. Gaps look good. This gap, perfect. However, changing the windshield wiper motor assembly did not fix my issue. So I'm guessing this motor is probably still good. We'll talk about that later. Let's put on the Ford emblem. And then I want to fix this little cap here. I want to glue it to the bumper reinforcement, or what do they call it? Bumper reinforcement? I think it's bumper reinforcement. See, the main issue is this is an aftermarket bumper, so they have to not to have any kind of lawsuits with the manufacturer. They added this So the original or Ford cannot sue them for making an aftermarket bumper because now it's different. It's not exactly the same. You get the picture? With this, I have to make extra little holes right here to get these little clips in. Right here and right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a soldering iron, melt that, cap it in, and probably just glue it or 3M it, whichever one. Okay, I made those 2 slots. Let me zoom it in. You see those 2 slots right here? 1 and 2. Let me see if this is gonna work. This should hook right behind the bumper. I put some 3M tape just to give it a little stick there, and hopefully it clips in. That's what I'm hoping for. We have 2 more parts to install. The undercarriage cover and the inner fender. I'm not gonna put it on the lift. I'm just gonna jack it up, put a jack stand, and finalize it. About half an hour of work left and we are done. Never again we'll have to mess with taking this off, hopefully. Looking good, looking really sharp. Give me a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Ready to go. Got everything sorted out. We are done. Nice, nice, nice. Let's do a quick look around and see what we got. So I ended up installing the windshield trims. They look good. And then this side, acceptable. Inner fenders are in. So this whole thing is assembled. You can put a tag on basically and go straight to alignment and balance. Still need to change the oil and detail it really nice. Well guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Look at this bad boy. Ford Focus 2016. I need a customer. Final results after the wash. Man, this thing looks good. Look at this thing. We got minor things left, including the dent in the back of the trunk. But other than that, this car's ready to go. Completely assembled. Let's check under hood. This is what you want to see here. You want to see original OEM bolts. Look at that. Here, 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 here. And that's that. Man, that's awesome.